Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how we can add scroll bar to table as you see here. It looks more attractive and professional. If you want to learn, watch to the end. I start in this new sheet. First, for example, I have this data. It's a large data. I bring the titles. You can write the titles manually, Ctrl C, bring it to here. Ctrl V. Okay. Good. For example, I add border for these cells. Add border. Okay. Let me make it larger. Good. Make it bold. Make it the text size larger. Good. Also, you can add fill color. For example, this fill color. And I want to merge these cells, merge and center. Then from developer tab, if you don't have developer tab, just right click here, customize the ribbon. Here just check the developer, check it. Okay, now developer tab must be appears here, click it. Then from insert, form controllers, here we have scroll bar. Just click it and bring it to here. You can change its size. Click the outside, then you see it's active now. Now let's come back to the data. Let's go to the very bottom cell, row is 68. Come to here and write 68. And the beginning row is row number 1. Again, come to here, write 1. And how many row here we have in this table? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Good. Now this cell equal this one minus this one minus this one. 59 becomes the maximum value. Maximum value, we need this value here in this scroll bar properties. Right click, format control. Current value, it's up to you. Minimum value start from 0. Increment 1. Okay. Maximum value 59. Select it 59. Okay. Link a cell. For example, I selected this cell. You can select this one here. Okay. Good. Enter. Okay. You see, now the cell is active. How it changes. Good. Now come to here, equal sign, offset. Come to data, select the cell, comma, come back to here, select the connected cell, this one, fix it, F4. Okay, now it fixed it, comma, 0, close bracket, enter. Good. Now just apply to this here, then apply to here. Good. Now if I come to the first one, it must show me the first row at the beginning. Let's check 2021 115.2. It must show this data. Yes. Now let's check to bottom cell, bottom row. Sorry. Bottom row 1955 386. Let's check. 1955 386. It means our data or our scroll bar is perfect. That's all. Have a nice time.